dati, bulol po ako magsalita. Parang ganito. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Pero, dahil sa trainings at workshops namin sa Little Big Superstar, hindi na po ako bulol ngayon. Sample, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat!
At ito pa ang bago, ang hits ng Eraserheads. Bibigyan ng bagong tunog nila Christian, Arya at Joshua kasama si Andrew E!
Watch out for your mind on MIC. And it goes along in something like this. We go a long, long way. Hey, yo, girl, bring it to them. Just bring it to them. Here we go.
Now that I know you, I always want to be the same boy. Right now, right here, with one wave of your hand, one magic touch, I will give you all the love I have so much.
Come on.
In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round.
Come on now.
Don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared.
Do it down now.
The things that could go wrong along the way. Get by
You get by
with a smile.
with a smile.
It's time to kiss away those tears goodbye.
Ever since we met, hey yo, well ever since we met, I never felt right. I can't eat well and I can't sleep tight. You're so beautiful and you are so adorable. I can't resist you. You're so lovable. 7 days a week, I feel like a freak. Plus I wait for a kiss and a touch on my cheek. But when I look in your face, stare into your eyes, in a second or two, you got me hypnotized.
Nice to the back,